In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fit Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay or Android CarPlay, not sure what it's called, in any car. We could fit it to the Civic, or we could fit it to a VL. We could fit it to any car that doesn't already have the option of CarPlay. But in today's video, as you guys know, whenever I get any special deals or sponsorship deals and I'm not going to use it, I always say yes, because free is for me. So today we're going to fit it to my girlfriend's cousin's Honda Civic. So we're still going in a Civic, and this has a whole bunch of features. We're going to go through that really soon. We're going to make sure she has all the latest technology and all the best features, and we're going to set this up. It requires pretty much no tools and plugs straight in. Anyone can do this, and you don't need to be a wizard mechanic to get this in your car. In today's video, we are going to install a Cycane, I think that's how you say it, Cycane. Being a small-time YouTuber, I'm pretty much never going to say no to any sponsorship stuff where it's, you know, a freebie that someone can use and put to good use. And this one definitely fits the bill. When the guys reached out to me and said, do I want to try this? Hell yeah, for sure. In this day and age, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay is an absolute must, so we couldn't say no to a deal like this. We're going to fit this up in just a moment, but let's take a look what's inside the box. And here we have the screen. Nice and big. This looks so easy to fit up. I'm not even going to wear garage clothes today. Sunday afternoon, been out to lunch. Now it's time to fit a CarPlay unit in a car. Let's see how easy this can be. Now, there is a camera on the back which does dash cams. You can log in remotely at any time as well and download everything. And you can even hardwire it to the car, but it doesn't have to be. It's totally portable. And in here we have all of the USBs, SDs, aux cable ports and everything. So I believe this has a battery in it. Sure does, and it will power up all on its own even without being connected to any power. So we're using the VL wagon as a YouTube studio today. You can see here all the different features. Mobile internet, nice easy to use touch screen. And you can choose Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, AirPlay, any of those features if you like. First thing we want to do is search Bluetooth and connect. So I'm going to try and pair my phone now. And just like that, we have our CarPlay on, and I've got a message already, which I do, unread. We can go to the car. Spotify, YouTube, Waze, so for your maps, Zoom calls, whatever you need to do, music. So let's open Spotify, and there it is, can play all your favorite songs, exactly like mirroring from your phone. Back to the apps. All right, so we've established that that works. We're not even connected to a car. This has its own built-in battery, so it can get you out of trouble and navigate and make calls and things, even if it's not connected to a car 12-volt outlet or a power source. But anyway, let's get back to the rest of what's in the box and get it set up in the car right now. Okie dokie, so the box comes with heaps of features. We've got the 12-volt cigarette lighter plug, and to power the unit, you can disconnect that and hardwire it in if you wish. Aux cable, so you can run straight into the car's existing aux cable. And we also have another awesome feature, which is a reverse camera. So we've got the front camera and the reverse camera. I'm going to try set that up. No paperwork in this one. There was no instructions. Oh well, be a man, work it out yourself. Let's go. There is an app for this as well, so I think we'll find that later. Once we've got it connected to the car, we'll try and work out the app and connect everything through the app, and it's probably got some instructions on there for us as well. Alrighty, so this is the Honda Civic that we are working with. As you can see, we've got a dash cam that fell off the screen. We've got a phone case, we've got a charger, we've got a USB, we've got aux cables everywhere. So hopefully this unit will simplify all of that and modernize the whole interior here of the Civic. I'm going to just take a few moments to figure out the positioning. It's basically peel off the double-sided tape and stick it down wherever you feel like. Right here would make the most sense, hopefully. You can still see the dash, and hopefully it's not any taller than this, so hopefully she can still see over the dashboard. She's quite small, but let's get rid of all these cables and get everything else plugged in and powered up, and we'll figure out a route to run the reverse camera as well. All right, so here we are, plugged in to the cigarette lighter, plugged into the aux cord, and now we're playing Spotify straight into the car. Super easy, literally plug in, plug in, plug in, done. So I've connected my Bluetooth. I'm now playing through the auxiliary here on the car, and everything's working mint. Now, to run the reverse camera through the back of the car, I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna do that without having cords messy everywhere, but give me a minute to figure that out and we'll get it sorted in the car. I've just plugged in the reverse camera now to test it out, see what it looks like. We're gonna go into the recorder. You can switch between front camera, back camera, and so that's front, rear, and here it is just here. So we can put that however we like. Obviously mount it under the back of the number plate somewhere so you can see what's behind you when you're reversing. So that's the next mission, run some cords to the back of the car. I've had a sus on the back of the car and I'm gonna have to screw some holes into it. So I'm gonna have to get the owner's permission before I do that to see if she wants me to put the reverse camera on or not. But this has been the most simple car audio upgrade I've ever done in my life, or ever even seen in my life. Literally double-sided tape, bam, stick it on. It's lightweight, it's got a camera on the back side of it for dash cam. If you don't have a bubbly dash like this and you mount it on top, it can see straight out. Dash cam, reverse camera out the back, all of your Android Auto or Apple CarPlay features. Literally plugs straight into your cigarette lighter, and you can actually just plug it straight into a couple of fuses under the dash. Tells you power, ground, all that sort of stuff. Plug that straight in, and then plug this one into the back of the unit, and then you've still got the same two USB and aux cords there. Now, the guys at C12 had sent me an email asking if I would do a 10+ minute video on installing this. Literally, it takes 1 minute to do. And I don't want to bore you guys. This is an absolutely awesome unit. I'm gonna have to check with the owner where she wants it mounted, whether we stick it down here or over that side, and same thing about the reverse camera. So there's not much I can do at the moment, so I'm gonna leave it here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video. I know it's not my usual content, but hey, free parts, helping out the family, helping you guys out. There'll be a link in the description if you want to grab yourself one. I think they're only a couple of $100 and they plug straight into any car. All you need to do is have a 3mm aux jack. If you don't have one of those, if your car's even older, you just plug your phone charger straight into the USB, and you can run whatever you use to charge your phone and run straight into your phone and charge while you drive, and also get the benefits of plugging straight into there and everything pairing up and connecting up perfectly. So it's a win-win. Thanks so much to C12 for sending out this unit. It's absolutely awesome. It's really modernized the whole dash and cleaned up a lot of those cables and wires and things. That's going to be it for this video. Real simple one. Thank you so much. Link in the description. This looks awesome, super easy to fit, and we'll see ya in the next video. Cheers.